Hello darlings and welcome back to my channel. So on today's video we're going to be doing my first ever try of Charlotte Tilbury. So let's skip the intro, jump right in and let's talk. So I'm excited about this. So I got this Charlotte Tilbury's EXAGGER-EYES palette, which was from my stepmom Gemma. She gave me that while we were on holiday. It's beautiful, it's amazing. She kindly gave away because she's not a glitter girl, which is a shame, but we can convert her. And it's absolutely gorgeous. It consists of 4 shades. It's, you know, got the most beautiful packaging, perfect for your handbags. Like, it's just lovely. But the only catch, which is why I've never tried Charlotte Tilbury, is it is £40 for 4 shades. £10 a shade, girl. These better be good. So let's just have a quick catch up first, and then we'll jump in and do a product review. So this week, what have I done? Not much is the answer, just work, work, work. In the great words of Rihanna, that is a quote. Other than that, not really a great deal. I have got no new makeup. Oh, there is an update actually, girl. I have my interview for college on the 7th of December on a Monday, and that's at 4 o'clock. So if anyone wants to wish me a little good luck, then please do, because girl, I need it. I'm nervous but excited. Today's makeup, I'm using a collection foundation mixed with a Shein contour palette, but I have requested from Santa Claus this year to get an Anastasia Beverly Hills one with a powder contour, so fingers crossed that Santa comes through. And I'll put on I think it's Natural Collection blush in the shade Rose Blush. I love this one because it's really strong and pink. So I'm feeling with this one, I'm going to go for like a smoky eye vibe, but with the Charlotte Tilbury palette, just to warm it up. So I've gone for a very strong blush, put on a nice pinky blush lipstick, which is actually Primark. Tried it for the first time today, Primark liquid lipstick. Really like it actually. It's called Demi Lip Intense Color Soft Matte Liquid Lipstick. It's got probably the worst packaging, but girl, it feels good on your lips, it feels light. It's not transparent to my teeth very much, which girl, we know I have that issue on here. And it is in the shade Bare. Like when, no, I'm not gonna go into it, but let's just say I like it there. So, moving on, what else is new? It's expensive, isn't it? Christmas, are we excited? So in the next video, I am going to be doing a Christmas look. I have some really nice earrings, which I'll tease you with now. These will be in my next video, and it will also give you a clue to the upcoming themes and trends. Girl, we love Primark, look at that. £2 for these. Ooh, cute. So that's just a little teaser for the upcoming video. So let's jump in now with the product. So, packaging, let's talk. Isn't it cute? It's absolutely cute. It's literally the size of your palm. It's perfect to go in your handbags, or if you're taking it on a clutch for a night out. But you don't really take eyeshadows, but if you do, then great. This is perfect for you. If you're not really into much eyeshadow and you like a nude lip, I've already swatched these because they are amazing. They're just so cute. Like, look at that. It's got a really nice little pan. It's so shiny, so metallic. Got the Charlotte Tilbury here. It's got the shade names on the back. It feels heavy, it feels good, but not too much it breaks your wrist. So let's go in now with some swatches. So let's go in for some swatches. So we have these 4 gorgeous shades. You have more like a highlighting shade, 1 matte, and these are 3 shimmers. I'd use this more for like a highlight on the brows. These could be good for highlighting the eyes if you're doing like a bit of like a halo eye effect. And you have your matte just to give it some depth and bring out the golds. So we're actually going to go for a look today using just these 4 shades. And that is my plan, that's my goal. I have a vision of what I want to do. Will I execute it? Not sure. I'm feeling like going in with worn up the eye with the matte. I'm going to do probably this warmer gold on the outsides, like the inside of my eye here and the outside here, and kind of buff it out into my eye. And then use this more like a bronzy shimmer just to like highlight the middle. So this is going to be like a bit of a quick festive look, just for like Christmas Day. You're popping around your nana's to have some eggnog and a couple of Victoria Bickies because you feel like she's upper class because she ain't got the Fox's ones. And yeah, it's just something easy, something quick. This will be a quick video. I'm hoping no more than 10 minutes because girl, we all know I like a long one, especially after the last one. Also girls, opinions are opinions. Just because I don't like Shop Miss A doesn't mean you won't too, honey. I never said it was bad, so you can all sort of come for me in the comments. I love a bit of drama like every other girl in the world. But please, tone it down. Stop replying to other comments and trying to shut down Miss Parcher over 68 subscribers. I'm just a humble boy with a humble opinion. Take a deep breath in and out. And let's move on. So swatches. So let's go in with the 4 shades. I'm going to swatch with my hands and I'll be back. Okay, that's better. So here you go. So you have like this very much like a highlighty, like brow highlight. You have this kind of bronzy colour here. You have the warm browns here. And this is it's very glittery. This one is this shade here. This one. I thought it was going to be like a really deep gold. But it's actually just this very sheer, very glittery vibe. So I'm thinking this on the outside and the inside of my eye, with this highlight in the middle, the bronzy colour, and then this over the top to give it that extra bit of pigment, and then I use this to highlight the brow. Done, 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 done. Cute. Cool. So let's move on to application. So let's go in for a bit of application now. So we are going to start off with this warmer shade in the corner here. And I'm just going to get that on the end of my brush. It picks up very well, very nicely. And I'm just going to dab this onto the outer of my eye. So now that it's dabbed onto the outer of my eye, we're just going to blend this out now with a generic blending brush. You see that I've done the darker side here and here. I'm going to blend that up and just leave this completely blank. So I'm going to highlight here with a bronze shade and literally up to here. So it's going to be very much like a striped effect, yeah? So I'm just going to blend it out and we'll be back and let's talk. Okay. So I'll blend it out. It blends really nicely. The shade isn't really picking up very well on the camera within the ring lights. However, it does look nicer in person. Am I fully living the fantasy? No. I don't know how old this palette is. Also, bear in mind, I don't know how old this palette is. It was gifted to me, so it could be a bit old now. So I'm just going to really try and pick in that pigment again now and push that onto the actual eyelids and into the creases and see if we can save this, and I'll be back. Okay, so there is one eye done, and it has got the darker colour here on the outside and here, and see how I've left that middle bit sheer. So we are going for like a very simple, very soft smoky eye. I have kind of gone in for the depths of the eye over here. Oh god. Depths of the eye over here, which typically you wouldn't do, but we're trying something new. And I'm just going to blend it out into the nose and onto the higher part of my nose bone. And just really push it up to the eyebrows just to give it that really dark, dark eye. So I'm just going to do the other eye and I'll be back. Okay, so we have both eyes smoked out. Got both eyes smoked out now with the brown shade, which is called Pause? I don't know. Girl, we'll call it Papa. So, this is such a quick look. I love it. So far, I would say I love it. I really feel like I suit a smoky brown eye. It really brings out my eyes, having this warm, dark makeup on. See what I mean about the soft pink lips with the high blush. It really gives it like a really nice, warm, wintry vibe, which is perfect for Christmas. And this is taking seconds, like so far, including all of this talking. This video has currently sat on 8 minutes. So now we're going to go in with this shade here, this bronzy brown, which is called Prepare. These are boring shade names, girl. Like boring. Like, come on, Charlotte, girl. Let's up the game a little bit. So, quite simply, with my dirty swatch fingers, we are now going to go in with my, is it called an index finger, girl? I don't know, I didn't do well at school. So I'm just going to push my finger onto this really nice, creamy, soft consistency. And then with this, I'm just going to simply dab it onto my eyelid and blend up and buff out. And it's going to give it a cute little highlight. There we go. So now the highlighting shade on, I'm just going to just going to blef it in with the brown either side, just to kind of warm it together and merge it out nice and softly. There we go. So now we have a cute little shimmer on my eyelids. To be honest, this isn't my absolute like to die for. I'm loving the brown, loving this brown shade here that gave the warmth to the eyes. However, the shimmers, not really doing it for me. So what we're going to try now is to go in with this really dirty little finger of mine, and we are going to pick up this highlighting shade here, this one here, sorry, which is called Define. Oh girl, I'm an idiot. You know, I just realised it's not in English, is it? So you've got the word define, and then you've got it in another language, which, I don't know, let's just go for like French, because I feel like it is. Look, you see how it says define? I don't know if it's not going to focus, girl. It says like pop or define. Like, will this do anything? Pop and define. And then it's got like pehors underneath pop, which I guess means pop in French. I don't really know. So I'm an idiot, girl. So ignore me slating it so much. So yeah, I'm an idiot. It's still a cute palette though. So let's just try and rein it back a bit of credibility here. So now we're going to go in for this, where will we go? This one here, which has all that glitter pigment. So with my little finger, I'm just going to pick up that product on there, and we're just going to press it over the top now. There we go. You see it's picked up that glitter pigment much nicer now. So I'm just going to blend this out a little bit again like I did before. Blend it into the other colours. Just a bit of zebra back and forth over the top. Very, very light, nothing too pressed. And there we have a really cute smoky eye so far. So then what I like to do is to go in with a bit like a concealer brush. I feel like you get more control over it. And just very gently pick up this colour here, what we use to darken the eyes, this one here. And just push it in from the outer, going along the under eye. There we go. Notice how I only blended out from halfway. And then just what you see here, we have this dark line meeting the skin. What I'm going to do is just blend this out, because this does blend really well, this eyeshadow. Just blend it out into the skin, and you see how that's basically disappeared now. So it's more like a soft smoky eye, nothing too bold, nothing too crazy. And that's basically the eye look done with the Charlotte Tilbury palette, which is called Exaggerate. So, oh sorry, EXAGGER-EYES. So what we're going to do now, I'm just going to go off camera, do some eyeliner, stick some lashes on, and we'll do a final thoughts and reviews. There we go, guys. So here we have it. My simple Christmas smoky eye with my first time using Charlotte Tilbury branded anything. What do you think? So I have used some of the darker matte shade in the corner, this one here, just to plump up my lips. So I had that nice, like blushy pink, it was called Bear. This Bear shade here in the middle. And then what I've done is I've just topped it up with this corner shade here, just to make my lips look a bit more darker in the edges, just to make them look a bit more plumper, because girl, we know I need some bigger lips. Which is another update. Hopefully new year, I have the money set aside, ready to get my lips done. So there'll be like an upgrade to this. I might even vlog it potentially, not sure. So you can come along with the journey with me. So what do you think? Do you like it? I've gone for a half eyeliner moment to make my eyes look bigger and pop more. I had a bit of a nightmare with the lashes. That was pure drama. These are much shorter than I wanted, because as you can see from this here, I have done one long and one short when I trimmed it, so I absolutely ruined it. It's not really for me. But what do you think? Do you like it? It looks good for Christmas. Got that Christmas smoky eye. Do you like it? Do you love it? Do you not? Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think about this palette in the comments down below. I'm sure you will anyway, if anything like Shop Miss A, like on the other videos. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to this video. I'm Miss Patra. I do regular updates every Sunday with various top tips and beauty reviews and just general catch-up chit-chat. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. Please share it on Facebook. That tends to get a good response. And Instagram would be so appreciated. I want this channel to grow as much as I can, so I can do as much as I can for you, my Miss Patra community. So thank you for watching. I'll see you later. Take care. Bye-bye. I love you. Mwah.